What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? Happy Tuesday, everybody. Happy Tuesday. New day, great day. Let's do it. Let's get the market up. Honestly, this is why I come in here 15 minutes low, 15 minutes early now. Just to, get a feel for the markets and stuff. Go over my fundamentals, news, etc., etc. But yeah, let's get to it. Let's see. CME has NQ. It's gold. Came back within the range. Actually, never exited outside the range. But yeah, let's get to it, y'all. Let's start off with the indices. It's right here. Hanging out at yesterday's highs. Honestly, really not much I can fucking drop. Just vibe out right now. It's just kind of chilling. You can get a feel for how the volume's looking. Markup. Yes. I ain't gonna drop a fib yet. Shout out to Hotkeys. I shot you out. I thought it nerfed me. It didn't. You sure don't get that, huh? Alright. So price looking right now. That's no surprise. It built some volume above the highs. But right now it's filling. It was our 8:30 news. We got 8:30 news. Let's check. Keep losing my it's not intentionally. Got 20 minutes after. Okay. 25 news. Some earnings. American Airlines. Trade review sessions. Alright, let's move on to gold. Ain't that much volume down there. Just because we at the midpoint, honestly, we at the midpoint of both days, which is ironic in gold. This little dotted line is my midpoint of the range. To see, just to see how value is being accepted or failed. Are we being respected? Or no? We being disrespectful. I ain't got time for that disrespectful shit now. Fuck out of here. But that's gold. We yeah. There ain't that much volume down there. Alright, let's move this chart over with the Looks like I gotta adjust the profile. Right. Nice. A little over 6 minutes to the open. You clearly see there's a lot of volume above previous day, but hell here. See what NASDAQ does. Let's see. But anyway, it's Tuesday. Got 10 a.m. news. Let me set a little timer for that. Let's set it for about 9:57. Lose, bitch. Lose. No snooze. What you snoozing for? Alright, we got that locked in, y'all. I realized in the frame and playback yesterday, you really couldn't see this. Let's see if I just hold it. Oh, right there. Just really keep stuff really simple. The volume is a magnet, and effort and they show you who really needs some shit. Who in control per se. for that moment. You find me some proper tunes, man. You know I'm vibing with y'all too. But these people be tripping about their copyrights, man. Alright, got a little more, less than 3 minutes. Let me unlock this joint, check my risk parameters again. Still risking the same. Goal is to, reach a particular cushion and profits to, leverage some more. That, we get more aggressive in confidence. So let's see, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, what's up? In a minute, man. Where last night, hold on, I got an alarm going off. Just a second. About 2 minutes, hold on. Alright. Sorry for the brief interruption. We're back. Alright, let me lock some of the Johns in this fib at least. Go. Change it. Minute 20 seconds. I don't believe you're gonna come back to these highs right now. Next minute. So we can pin you. Why not? Go ahead, get to work, B. Alright, we gotta go, baby, go. Click on this joint. Ooh. It's not the one I want, baby. I want you. Alright, bet we locked in. Highs and lows. And voila, you happen to be in line with my open high and low. We better be. That'd be a major fail if that wasn't right? Alright, we got 30 seconds. Let's look at my preferred markets, which is indices. Let's double check that. I did that math fast. Yeah, locked in. Beneath this goddamn going slow, bro. What's going on? But we fell back to the median, dog. 4 seconds. We gotta open.
How would you describe them?
Alright. We at the previous day high. I'm about to say something else. I ain't even gonna cap. We had the previous day high on ES and NASDAQ. We're falling. Belling down to the median. It ain't no volume down here. This is a ledge. Kind of volume there. Let's zoom in a little bit so you see what I see. Boom. still continuing from pre-market. That's what I see right now. Continuing from pre-market on ES. Should I look at ES first and then let NQ do what it do? In the previous day range, it's crazy with one inside the previous day range and one isn't. But NQ came back to, you know, our magnet, which is the point of control. That's what I would say the point of control is the peak of volume. It's a massive freaking peak. The range of this open right now is about 54 points. About 5 points on ES. Crazy rounds I would to rotate. You know, drink, y'all. I ain't raining in there. Need some water. Feeling a little parched. I need some water. Look at that. So far, ES holding the high of the previous high of that. And this goddamn gonna live. Right? I just said ain't no goddamn on volume, man. So we gonna see it all. So with the spinning wheel, check bar. We cool, we great. Alright, about 4 minutes into the open, we got like a 5-minute candle that's about to close. Minutes lapse. I really do need that water, dog. But I guess I'll just. That's so gross. Let me give me some water. Give me a second. Let me just see this real quick. That candle didn't close yet. And now, did I say that shit, man? It's gonna rotate. Why you don't just go down and touch the mean, dog? You know you want to. Just from my experience, you know, you make a high and you retrace. Not necessarily down to the 50, because the 50 you clearly see it. I know that ain't gonna volume. The volume is up there. But we at the ledge. And now NASDAQ's at the ledge. Let me stop talking and just watch. Okay, 50-50. Then we come back to previous day on NASDAQ. What's up, dog? Feel some volume right there. That's kind of wonky, right? I said I really love the volume of ES. I don't know, I just don't trade it. I love the volume of ES, but the volatility of NASDAQ, and I had the patience to sit and wait for some shit to make sense, because now they both moving the same way fucking finally. Okay. Still got room to drop. Oh, by the way, I don't really practice the volume on the previous day. I'm just looking at the highs, the lows, my critical levels, seeing how the current day price is forming around those levels. It's that simple. I'm like, okay, we got a legendary volume right here. I don't mean jump in front of Nathaniel. Here we go. The reason I really wasn't interested in that trade, I guess it's more so predicting, because I sure could have got in right there. Rotation. So far, showing me that it then showed me that it fucking reclaimed free Mercury back inside the range on ES, and we feeling some acceptance here on NASDAQ. We're at 920-ish. I just want to see if it want to come down to the median. Literally a mean reversion. There we go. Excuse me. You got about what? 10 minutes elapsed and 40 seconds. Yo, dog, I need some water. No water, boo, man. No, you show me what a lie. What you gonna do, man? I ain't not about to jump in front of you. But even though I just said what I said, I don't look at the previous day volume. But you do see this is clearly some action Jackson. Some action took place here the other day. Like I said, I like seeing it clearly stick out. Like, oh, what you just did at you see it on the ass. Okay, that's 10 minutes. That was a buy. Going back to that median. I ain't gonna lie, I hesitated. I mean, not median, the volume high. Somewhere around here. That is somewhere around here. Oh. The stop loss beneath here. It took me a little longer to make a decision, that's why. Let me go get that water. Let me go get that water. Be right back. You hear my voice, y'all. Just a second. Un momento. Dang, man, I've been muted this whole time, bro. Since coming back, I didn't even know. All right, y'all. I'm about to walk away on that. That's an epic fail. I've been back from that break for how long? I just noticed that. No trades. I wouldn't say as far as like my emotional and overall well being, I don't feel like I was distracted or anything this session. More so just, he grace, 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 and more grace. Give value the data that you receive, the feedback that you receive, and show up again. That's our practice. Goldilocks day trading, live trading. Thank y'all for fucking with your boy. I did not realize my mic was cut off. I had it muted since coming back from the break. So, a little coffee break for a little bit. Um, just realizing now that, we weren't, heard. But now the audio is being registered now, but it's so. Okay. ES did come back to the ledge. I thought it could possibly come back to the trace all the way back down to like the 50, but that's just they said, nah, that's the edge. And that's a nice little push up. But yeah, peace, Goldilocks day trading. Yeah, I'll be back for Wednesday. We got some major news going on tomorrow. We'll see how that goes. Fresh rising. We'll see how that goes. We're walking away from this session. We lock it. Oh, all these windows open. The heck, my dom moving the window on my CPU, like, what the heck, bro? All these programs and software in the background. But yeah, anyway, closing out this stream, you guys. If you have any feedback, comments, questions, hey, shoot, drop it down below. I'll follow with y'all. Eventually I'll make a video on my channel, get some content on there too. But you know, this is pretty big for me just showing up in this way. So continue, grow on that, grow on that. Always show up. My goal is better, better, better. Show up better every day. Anyway, it's been good. Peace. See y'all tomorrow.